How to pin someone as BFF on Snapchat. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to pin somebody as your BFF on Snapchat. But before I do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on this video. Okay, so pinning somebody on Snapchat as a BFF is a fairly new feature. So to be able to do this, what you need to do is first of all open up the Snapchat app on your mobile device and then head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Once you're here, you're in your profile. What you need to do is tap on the Snapchat Plus button, which appears near the top of the screen. So just tap on that one, and as you can see, it says exclusive, experimental and pre-release features. So pinning somebody as a BFF is actually a Snapchat Plus feature. So you actually need to go in and sign up to Snapchat Plus. As you can see, these are the costs here for signing up for that in my country. Snapchat actually offers a free 7-day trial of Snapchat Plus if you haven't used that previously. I've got another video on how to actually activate that free trial, so go ahead and watch that video to learn how to do that. And then once you're signed up for Snapchat Plus, you can actually go ahead and pin somebody as your BFF. And that's all it takes to pin someone as your BFF on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.